Hi, my name is Dan from Attention to Detail in Connecticut Truck and Van. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Adrian steel drop-down ladder rack. When you're ready to get to work, grab the pivot handle from the roof of the rear of the interior of the van. Next, release the latch that holds the ladder onto the roof. Insert the pivot handle into the handle junction on the rear of the ladder rack. Then simply pull the handle down to lower the ladder off the roof of the van. You have the option to lock your ladder onto the rack to keep your ladder secure. Simply squeeze the T-handle to lower the base of the ladder rack. Starting at the rear, lower the base of the ladder to the ground. Then lift the ladder off the clamp to remove it from the van. When the job is done, place the ladder on the front clamp. Then lift the bottom of the ladder onto the rear clamp. Simply push the T-handle up to secure the ladder onto the rack. The included guardrail protects your van from dents and scratches. Finally, push the pivot handle to lift the ladder onto the roof of the van. Thank you for watching, and visit our website at cttruckandvan.com or call us with any questions.